Hello everyone and welcome to the Shon of All Trades channel. If you're experiencing a blue screen problem and haven't watched the first part of this video, please stop here and watch it first. It's a quick guide that many people were able to resolve the issue using the instructions provided in that video. If the first video didn't fix your problem, continue watching this one. This video is designed to assist you with blue screens, black screens, Windows not booting, and being stuck during the boot process. These problems may arise from an inaccessible hard disk or insufficient access to the system files and Windows boot files. Let's go through the potential causes one by one. First, we need to check the hardware to determine if our system can access the hard disk where Windows is installed. This should be done via BIOS setup. To enter the BIOS setup, turn on or restart your computer and hold down one of the following keys during startup: F2, F12, delete, or escape. If you don't know which key is working for you, refer to your system user guide manual or try each key individually. In the BIOS menu, your hard disk should be listed. If your hard disk does not appear on the main page, check the hard disk connection by following the instructions in the video about lost hard disks. It's available on my channel. Once your hard drive appears in the BIOS setup, refer to part 1 of the video about blue screen and follow the instruction. If still the problem persists, continue with this video. If the hard disk is visible in the menu, we may be dealing with software damage in the Windows system files or damage to one or more hard disk clusters. To perform the recovery process, we will need a few essential tools. I will briefly outline them to keep this video concise. Still, you can find separate detailed videos about how to prepare each tool on my channel. Links to those videos are also available in the description. The first tool needed is a Windows recovery disk. This disk includes Windows installation files and system boot options, giving access to the repair menu. You can create it in just a few minutes using a flash drive with at least 16 gigabytes of space and a Windows system of the same version or higher. The second tool is an image disk, which many of you might not have considered. Image disk can restore your computer to working condition without losing data. Therefore, after restoring your system, I strongly recommend creating an image disk. A video on how to make an image disk is also available on my channel, with a link in the video description. Let's proceed with using the Windows recovery disk. Connect the flash drive to your computer, turn it on or restart it, and enter the BIOS setup as previously described. To begin, go to the boot section of your system and select the flash drive from which to boot. In some cases, you may need to save this setting before exiting. If your system does not restart automatically, ensure you save the setting and restart it manually. If everything done correctly, your system should boot from the flash drive. You will enter the repair menu directly or see the Windows installation page. Click the Next, then click Repair Your Computer to access the repair menu. In this step, choose Troubleshooting and enter the Advanced menu. Click on Uninstall Updates and proceed to the next page. First, uninstall the latest quality update and allow it to finish. Return to the previous menu if you encounter an error message indicating that you cannot uninstall it. Otherwise, restart your system after completing the process and check if Windows boots correctly. Remember that on some systems, you must remove the flash drive from the device when restarting to allow your system to boot normally from the hard drive. If the problem persists after restarting, repeat the steps from where the system boots from the flash drive. Uninstall the second update from the repair menu and follow the above instructions again. If the issue remains unresolved after uninstalling updates, return to the repair menu. Select Troubleshooting again, then choose System Restore from the Advanced menu. The system restore function is similar to an undo command and returns your system to the last workable state. However, suppose you have never created a restore point from within Windows and do not have automatic restore points enabled. In that case, no restore point will be available. After clicking, you will proceed to this menu to select your system. Then click Next. If you see a restore point available, select it and click Next. Windows will attempt to restore the last available state. Suppose your hard disk does not have damaged clusters where the boot files are located. In that case, Windows should work properly after the restoration is completed. Allow the process to finish, restart your system, and check the results. If your problem still exists, re-enter the repair menu. Except for reinstalling Windows, the only remaining option is Image Disk. You may skip this part if you have not prepared one before. To use an image disk, connect the external hard drive containing the image to your computer. Navigate to the Troubleshooting menu and select System Image Recovery from the Advanced options. Then select your Windows. Here, choose the hard drive and the desired image file. Click Next and wait for the process to finish. Your system should start working well again. The last image you took of your computer will restore Windows, drivers, installed programs, personal files, and everything else that was on it at the time of the image preparation. However, if you do not have an image disk, your chances of restoring Windows and recovering data are roughly 50-50. Restart your system and allow it to boot from the recovery flash drive. In the Windows installation menu, do the initial setup. Click Next and press the Install button. In the next menu, select your Windows version. You may also see an option to upgrade Windows, but this option only applies when installing from within Windows. Therefore, choose the second option to start the installation. If you're fortunate and the Windows system files on your computer were not damaged, the installation program will inform you that Windows has already been installed. It will then ask if you'd like to use that information for the installation. By agreeing to use that information, many of your system files may be restored, including the names and shortcuts of previously installed programs. Additionally, all programs available in the Microsoft Store will automatically reinstall after you click on them. Unfortunately, you will need to reinstall any programs that are not available in the Microsoft Store. I recommend watching the video about 4 methods for complete data protection and recovery during a Windows crash, which is available on my channel. The link is in the description. This video will help you restore your data as quickly as possible without any loss. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or email me. I'll do my best to help you. Always keep your computer and data safe. Goodbye.